If he's seeing from there, I'm sorry, Nevin. I'm sorry because you didn't deserve that. We all miss you. We all miss you, and we'll meet soon. Just
Abhishek Verma is all of 21 years old. Nevin Dalvin, one of the 3 IAS aspirants who was killed from waterlogging in the basement of a famous UPSC coaching center, was one of Abhishek's close friends.
I was just sitting there. I was just not reacting. I was numb.
When we meet Abhishek, his trauma, his tears, his anger are all evident. But he wants to speak. In fact, he says he must speak because India must know more about his friend Nevin and the nightmare that he and young boys and girls like him have just lived through. He also wants to challenge the lack of transparency in what he says we know so far, including exactly how many young boys and girls have died. तो जो हॉस्पिटल में पुलिस ऑफिसर बच्चों को मिला, उसने बोला there are 8 bodies.
Yes. Remember, but I very well remember that he said that there are 8 bodies, and I don't know if it's a mistake, it's a miscommunication or what, but I don't think so. Being at that position, being the SI there, he should have said there are 8 bodies.
Abhishek also warns that the way IAS aspirants are living is another horrific tragedy waiting to happen.
मैंने जितने पीजी फ्लैट्स देखे हैं, कोई भी सिक्योरिटी, किसी भी चीज की सिक्योरिटी नहीं है वहां पे. अगर वहां पे आग लगती है, पानी भरता है, शॉर्ट सर्किट होता है, कोई बच नहीं पाएगा.
What would be justice for Nevin?
The justice will be that no child, none of the parents should see their child like this. But I'll tell you one thing. The time when we were searching for him, we called one of our girl who was there, who escaped out. She was in a hospital. She said that हम सब भाग रहे थे and Nevin was trying to save us. वो सबको बचा रहा था.
So he died saving lives.
Exactly. He died saving lives, and I can imagine him saving them. I can imagine him being there. He didn't have that accountability. उसको कोई responsibility नहीं थी उसके सर पर. वो चाहता तो आराम से निकल सकता था क्योंकि बच्चे निकले हैं. But he was the last one who was rescued, to my knowledge.
Yeah.
He was the last one.
Yeah.
And there is a reason that he was the last one.
He stayed back to save others.
He stayed back to save others. He pushed everyone to go outside, and he died as a hero.
मैं आपको बोलना चाहती हूँ कि at 21 you're a very brave young man, and your family should be very proud of you. Your friends should be very proud of you. I know you don't feel that because you're numb inside. अभी इसके trauma जिंदगी भर शायद रहे, लेकिन आपने बहादुरी दिखाई है.
See, for me it doesn't matter. I don't know how anyone else see it, and with due respect I'm saying that I don't feel that I'm brave enough. I don't feel that I am proud of myself because I was not there. I was not able to save. I was not able to save my friend, and that what I don't feel there is not an inch of proudness in me, and because I was not able to save my friend, I was not able to be there. I was not able to tell him that he was a great support. I just want to say one thing to the authorities and the people responsible, that it's not political, it's not nothing. Just don't play with lives of the students. Just don't play with them because अच्छा नहीं है, ये सब बहुत बुरा है, and you will not be able to sleep इसके बाद because everyone is ignoring, everyone in the authorities, be it of any kind, be it political parties, the local government, anyone, they are all ignoring the problems, the safety of the students. Just don't do that. Just because you assure your child is safe wherever he or she is, just please treat every child, everyone, even if you don't know them, just treat them like your child, because there is someone who is waiting for them. There is a friend who is waiting for him. There is a friend who is waiting for them. There are parents waiting for them. There are people waiting for them, and they don't want to see them dead.
This is the story of a heartbroken, young, 21-year-old Indian. अभिषेक, आप सिर्फ 21 years old हैं और अभी ही कॉलेज से ग्रेजुएट हुए हैं, एंड यू हैव लॉस्ट योर फ्रेंड नेविन, आपके दोस्त थे वो, एंड गॉन थ्रू सो मच ट्रॉमा. तो सबसे पहले तो आई एम सो सॉरी फॉर योर लॉस, एंड थैंक यू कि इस समय भी आप हमसे बात करने के लिए राज़ी हुए. नेविन के बारे में पहले 2 मिनट बात करते हैं. आपके अच्छे दोस्त थे, उनके बारे में क्या याद है? व्हाट डू यू रिमेंबर मोस्ट अबाउट हिम? एंड इट्स सो स्ट्रेंज टू टॉक अबाउट हिम इन द पास्ट टेंस, राइट?
So we actually met, I guess, a week before this happened, and the most memories I have of him is of that only. If you have meet him, तो आपको 5 मिनट के अंदर लगेगा कि वो इंसान इतना अच्छा था. He was such a great guy that by talking with him for 5 minutes, you'll feel that he'll go in places. Because he was 28. He was doing his PhD from GNU, and he was a smart, great guy. And seeing him, I used to feel कि if he'll be around me, it will be better for me.
I see all these photographs of his and he has such a smiley face.
Yeah.
You know, जैसे कई लोगों के बारे में कहते हैं ना कि उनकी स्माइल, उनकी हंसी उनकी आंखों तक पहुंचती है. Must be damn difficult for you to. Thank you. And I, you know, you're a baby. You're 21 years old. I can't imagine the trauma you're going through.
So he was very composed. He was very calm. कुछ भी हो जाए, he was not, एक ऐसे रिएक्शन नहीं आता था. He used to think in a very, solution oriented way.
Yeah.
And then he used to act on it. And whenever he used to speak, हम सब चुप रहते थे, because वो जब बोलता था तो वो जो बोलता था वो सही होता था, and it was in the direction of solution.
What do you want people to know about Nevin? मतलब जैसे आपने कहा कि उनको देख के आपको पता लग गया कि ये स्मार्ट है बंदा, he is going to go places, and he was already in a MPhil कर चुके थे, PhD में थे, UPSC भी परस्यू कर रहे थे. मतलब he was a talented smart boy, right? तो उनकी एक कोई कैरेक्टरिस्टिक जो आपको लगता है कि सब लोगों को पता होनी चाहिए.
If we are seeing it on news, we only see that one photo of him smiling. That is all people know about him. But he was a genuinely great human being, which is very hard to find these days. He was helpful to his core. If you ask him anything, he'll provide it to you. He will make sure that you are okay in his presence. And that is very hard to find nowadays, because everyone is busy in his or her problems. But he was the one, when he saw any problem in any sort of uncomfortable space, he made sure that person is okay after talking to him.
Tell me something. आप सिर्फ 21 साल की हो, आपने इतनी कम उम्र में अपने एक दोस्त को इस तरह से जाते हुए, you to lose somebody like this, the trauma of losing 2 other people your age, how have you been coping up? अपने आप को एक तरह से coherent, strong कैसे रख रहे हो?
I'm not able to cope up with that. I'll be very honest with you. I'm not able to cope up with that. I'm just numb most of the time. I'm just numb. And the time when I'm not numb, I'm crying. That's the 2 things which I'm feeling right now, these days after that happened. Yeah, these 2 things, just numb.
I'm so sorry. You were there, not in the basement that day, पर आप उस इलाके में थे. आप वहीं रहते थे.
I was in my PG.
Okay.
In Patel Nagar.
And you lived 10 minutes away from Nevin.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I was having my dinner when I got the news. And one of our mutual friend called me, and she said that just look in the group, something is happening in the library. She was tensed, but I was not, because I thought कि इतना नहीं होगा जितना कुछ है. ठीक है, पानी भर गया. पहले भी I'll tell you कि पहले भी भरा है पानी, इतना नहीं भरा है बट गया।
तो आप कह रहे हैं कि बेसमेंट लाइब्रेरी में पहले भी पानी आ चुका है,
पहले भी पानी आ चुका है
और उसके बाद भी कुछ नहीं बदला।
या बट इतना पानी नहीं आया था जितना उस दिन आया है, बट पानी आया था एंड गेट्स वर चेंज्ड। जो गेट था वो चेंज हुआ था बिकॉज पहले भी पानी आया था। So I got that message, then I saw the group. I was having my dinner, I saw the group and it was not something which was okay and which was normal when I saw it.
ग्रुप में क्या था?
ग्रुप में वो फोटो थी मैम जो आपने पहली देखी होगी, जिसमें बच्चे निकल रहे हैं, जिसमें एक रेड टी शर्ट का एक लड़का है जिसको निकाला गया है
जी।
लाइक ही वॉज द लास्ट गाय हु वाज सेव्ड,
राइट।
सो उसको निकाला गया था एंड उसकी वो फोटो थी। एंड इन दैट वीडियो आई नो देम, जो लोग वहाँ पे खड़े हुए थे। देयर वाज माय टीचर आल्सो, माय ज्योग्राफी टीचर, सो ही वाज देयर, ही वाज हेल्पिंग देम एंड द पीपल हु यूज्ड टू सिट देयर इन द गार्ड रूम या फिर जो लाइब्रेरी में बैठते थे वो लोग वहाँ पे हेल्प कर रहे थे। सो आई सॉ दैट पर्टिकुलर वीडियो एंड आई थॉट कि यार ये तो ख़राब है कुछ, ये कुछ अच्छी न्यूज़ नहीं है। सो हमारे दो दोस्त थे जिनसे हम कांटेक्ट नहीं कर पा रहे थे। वन ऑफ देम वाज नेविन, वन ऑफ was my friend. She lived a few meters away from me.
Did you find her then?
Yeah, she was in her flat. She was just sick and she was sleeping, so she didn't pick up my call. But I was very tense. I ran to her house and then I checked.
You thought वो फंस गई है?
Yeah, but the friend who went to Nevin's flat, she told me that Nevin is not here and his phone was not reachable. So we got that feeling that he would have been there. He must be there. We thought that. तो उसके बाद हम लोग थोड़ी देर बैठे, हमने बाकी सारे अपने दोस्तों को फ़ोन किया जितने भी वी नो। मोस्ट ऑफ देम सेड कि हम लोग हैं, हम कुछ थे जो जस्ट दे लेफ्ट फ्यू मिनट्स बिफोर, फ्यू मिनट्स। तो उनसे बात हुई जब सारे दोस्त हो गए जिनसे बात हमें पता चल गया कि अच्छा ठीक है, दे ऑल आर सेफ, देन वी थॉट दैट। तो फिर हम लोग पटेल नगर में बैठे हुए थे सब लोग और वी वर वेरी एंग्शियस। तो फिर एक टाइम के बाद आई थॉट कि नहीं यार, हमको जाना चाहिए, हमको उधर जाना चाहिए, इधर बैठ के तो कुछ नहीं होगा। सो वी वेंट टू करोल बाग टू ओल्ड राजेंद्र नगर वेयर माय कोचिंग इज, एंड देयर वाज बैरिकेडिंग, देयर वर पुलिस, देयर वर एम्बुलेंसेस, देयर वर NDRF, everyone was there. So we went there and it was very messy. So we got an idea that something is wrong. The police didn't allow us to go inside, so we were outside the barricading. First of all, we were just confirming that Nevin is there or not. So we were calling our friends, we were calling जो भी लाइब्रेरी जाते रहते थे। सो उनसे बात करते हम बस घूमते रहे बिकॉज एट वन पॉइंट पुलिस जस्ट शिफ्टेड अवे फ्रॉम द कोचिंग, आई गेस बिकॉज द एम्बुलेंसेज आने वाली थी एंड पुलिस आने वाली थी। दे वर सेइंग कि जगह बना दो ताकि कोई भी हेल्प आए तो वो आ सके। दे वर राइट अबाउट इट। सो वी लेफ्ट दैट स्पेस एंड हम लोग काफ़ी दूर जाके खड़े हो गए। एट दैट टाइम माई फ्रेंड spoke to one of the girl who was there in the library.
You were still hoping that Nevin would be alive?
Yeah, till the very
end. कब पता लगा आपको that he had died?
Actually, I was near the barricading, so I was in touch with the police officers. They were kind enough to take the number and the photos, and I guess he was a DCP or DSP, I don't know, but he told me that if anything happens, I'll tell you. So there was a lot of time in between when कोई भी information नहीं आई थी हमारे पास। तो एक point के बाद फिर मैं I went ahead and I forced them, I consciously poked every police officer कि मेरे को please बता दो कि क्या हुआ है। At that time, after doing that, I guess उसी के time पे the media was there, so they recorded me and वो जो भी हुआ था। At that time, the police said कि you should go to RML hospital, Ram Manohar Lohia hospital, because the dead bodies are there. So at first he said that there is a boy and a girl who have been sent there. So that was shocking, and when I heard that, I was just praying the whole time when I was in rickshaw that please God, that please don't.
You were just praying to God.
Yeah, I was constantly. I was not
in your auto.
Yeah,
you went in an auto.
Yeah. So I was just praying my heart out that please don't. The time we went in RML, the police said, an SI was there. So he said that there is no boy, there is two girls. So we just the two girls were
Tanya and Shreya.
yeah. So we just said कि सर हमें एक बार बस दिखा दो आप, क्योंकि हमें बस एक बार हम देख लेंगे तो हमें अच्छा लगेगा कि मतलब
yeah, you will be
it's
sure.
very
हाँ.
I know it's selfish and I don't know but it is what it is.
Yeah.
So तो हमने उनकी bodies देखी and
you were still hoping Nevin would be alive.
हाँ, we were hoping to the core that he would be alive. So मैंने उन्हें देखा and बस हम लोग बाहर निकले and the time we were leaving RML हमने गार्ड को भी अपनी वो डिटेल्स दे दी थी, फोटो दे दी थी,
कुछ पता लगे तो हमें फोन
पहले
करना।
आपको पता चलेगा, पुलिस से भी पहले आपके दरवाजे से जाएगा, आपको पता चले आप हमें बता देना प्लीज। द टाइम आई शेयर्ड द फोटो एंड वाज जस्ट अबाउट टू लीव द एसआई कॉल्ड एंड ही सेड दैट इधर आ जाओ एक बार। तो जब मैं उधर गया तो ही सेड कि you have identified him, so he took out a photo of him. So I just saw from the side eye that क्या दिखा रहे हैं, जब मैंने देखा तो instantly
you knew.
I was about I got to know कि वही है, and because I identified मतलब you could identify him anywhere because he had that fashion sense, he had a good fashion sense, a really one जिससे ऐसे देख के लगता था कि I can take it from him.
Yeah.
And I used to ask him things, also used to compliment me कि कभी भी की जैकेट अच्छी लग रही है या जूते अच्छे लग रहे हैं, and I used to compliment him जब भी आता था वो, because I had more opportunities to compliment him because he was
what was his riz like? What was the fashions like? What did you like about his fashion sense? I know it's so ajeeb to talk in past tense, but
he had a weird but yet very charming kind of fashion sense. He used to wear things which suited him the most, but जो हमें ऐसा लगता था कि हाँ ठीक है, he has got that from many places, जो कि baggy jeans हो गए या फिर shoes हो गए, boots हो गए, jackets हो गई, short कुर्ता हो गया and sling bag हो गया. There were many things जिसके बारे में he used to have a sanitizer उसके बैग पे लटका रहता था हमेशा और so
basically stylish बंदा था,
बहुत stylish था।
एक बात बताओ, you were telling this harrowing tale कि कैसे आप गए RML hospital, you were hoping against hope, आपने भगवान से बहुत prayers किए, prayers didn't come true. Lot of बच्चास that I met at the protest site, वो नहीं मानते कि casualty सिर्फ 3 है, वो बार बार बोल रहे हैं, I don't know कि वो अपसेट हैं कि उन्होंने कुछ देखा जो हमने नहीं देखा। वो कहते हैं कि उस दिन जो भी थे 7 एम्बुलेंसेज आई, तो 7 एम्बुलेंसेज में सिर्फ 3 बॉडीज क्यों जाएंगी, ये एक उनका सवाल। दूसरा वो बोलते हैं हॉस्पिटल से कोई क्लैरिटी नहीं है कि अगर कोई बच्चा इंजर हुआ तो उसकी अभी क्या अपडेट है। So children, maybe this is just a trust breakdown right now. I don't know.
It is.
But do you feel why are children not convinced? Why do they feel कि सच नहीं बताया जा रहा about how many people have died?
I'll tell you the truth. They are correct.
They are correct?
Yes.
You feel more people have died?
Yeah. I'll tell you about that. The time we went to RML hospital, the moment we got the news, at that time, that police officer told us कि actually when we saw the 2 girls, after that we asked him कि सर कितना क्या है, कुछ हमें आप बता दो अगर आपको पहले पता है, क्योंकि he was in direct contact with the people who were near the institute, the officers who were near the institution. He was in direct contact with them. So he told us that there are totally 8 bodies.
The police officer told you?
Yeah.
And that police officer had gone inside?
Inside of?
मतलब where was this police officer standing?
He was in RML hospital.
तो जो hospital में police officer बच्चों को मिला, उसने बोला there are 8 bodies.
Yes.
You are sure of this?
I'm very sure about it because I very well remember that he said that there are 8 bodies. And I don't know if it's a mistake, it's a miscommunication or what, but I don't think so. Being at that position, being the SI there, he should have said there are 8 bodies. अगर उनसे गलती हुई है तो, और अगर उनसे गलती नहीं हुई है तो फिर तो 8 ही हैं, and
जो भी हो रहा है it's politics, or if they're just hiding it from the people. I don't want to make a controversy about it. I just want कि जो हुआ है आप उसे बाहर वैसे ही निकाल के दिखा दो सबको, क्योंकि जो होना है वो चीजें होंगी, आपको जो बैकलैश मिल रहा है वो मिलेगा ही आगे भी, बट प्लीज जो हो रहा है एटलीस्ट वो आप साफ साफ दिखा दो क्या हो रहा है. एंड आई सॉ द प्रोटेस्ट, आई सॉ द वीडियो कि द पीपल आर सेइंग दैट देयर आर नॉट 3 bodies, देयर आर 8 bodies, या फिर देयर आर मोर बिकॉज 7 ambulances came. So I was not sure till that moment, but when the police officer said me that there are 8 bodies, at that time I came to know कि अच्छा ठीक है, मतलब okay, all right, और भी शायद से हो सकती है. We were just wishing कि हमारा दोस्त ना हो उसमें.
But I have a question, because all the children are saying this.
Yeah.
You are also saying it.
Yeah.
मैं जिनको मिली वो भी ये बोल रही हैं. किसी ने ये भी बोला I saw nine bodies. You're saying you met a police officer who told you that he saw 8 bodies. But अगर अभी तक कुछ बॉडीज अनट्रेस्ड होती तो उनकी आई एम थिंकिंग कि उनके फैमिली मेंबर्स तो आगे आके बोलते हैं हमारे बच्चे मिसिंग हैं. अभी तक हमें ऐसी कोई जानकारी नहीं मिली.
So I heard it. One of the family was outside the, they were looking for their child. ये मुझे सुनने में आया है. And again जो मैंने आपसे बोला कि there were 8 bodies. I even shared it with my family and they said कि बता रहे हैं मीडिया में भी कि 8 bodies हैं, but 5 have been recovered and there are 3 casualties.
और बाकी 2 हॉस्पिटल में हैं.
हाँ, they're
इंजर्ड. 5 लोग निकाले गए हैं.
इंजर्ड टोटल मुझे 12 पता चला था.
अच्छा.
बच्चों से कि there are total 12 those who are injured. So I don't know, but the police officer said that there are 8 bodies. He would have said that there are 8 injured people. They would have said कुछ भी उसके बाद, but saying in that position, saying the word body tells us everything.
And he said this to you directly.
Exactly. And I'm not.
Do you remember his name or rank?
He was an SI.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't want to create any controversy about it, but
no, everyone is. All the children are saying this.
I'm only saying this because I heard it. That's it.
I hope it's not true. We have to hope it's not true. We have to hope maybe he meant 8 casualties, which includes injured. But there has been no update from the hospital also, so which is adding to the confusion.
Yeah.
Now, that day, what was going through your heart when you were seeing all this afra tafri, ambulances, losing your friend, losing 2 young girls died? That day, you say you're numb today. उस दिन डर लग रहा था, गुस्सा आ रहा था, क्योंकि अब हम जानते हैं कि एक बच्चा था एस्पिरेंट किशोर कुशवाहा, उसने जून में वार्निंग दी कि ये बेसमेंट इलीगल है. उसने उसके बाद 2 रिमाइंडर्स भेजे. उसने हर सरकार के हर आर्म को लिखा, एमसीडी, सेंटर, स्टेट, जिसको वो लिख सकता था उसने लिखा. कुछ नहीं हुआ. उस दिन और आज गुस्सा है, एक तरह से एक रेजिग्नेशन है.
मैम जब मैंने देखा था, I was the one who saw the body.
Of Nevin?
Yeah.
Where, at the hospital?
Yeah.
You went and saw it?
Yeah. Because I was not convinced that he's there. The body is of him. I was not convinced. Even I saw that photo, but I was not convinced. So I told the police officer that I want to see them.
But you're a 21-year-old child, if I may say so. Why did you want to see the body of your friend?
Because I was just hoping that
it's not him.
It's not him. It's maybe someone else. And I could identify him. I first asked for his phone, because I can identify his phone. It was his phone. But I wanted to see him. I went inside and I called his name. I don't know why. I just hoped he would respond. He would just wake up from all this bullshit जो भी हुआ है से. We don't care. I just wanted my friend. I called his name and he didn't respond, and I saw his body. There were bruises. I saw him, and when he didn't respond, I was convinced that he is no more. So at that moment, I was numb. I was still numb. I was just sitting there looking in particular direction. I was just sitting there. I still can't
Believe it.
believe it.
Yeah.
I still can't do it. I don't. I wake up and I think it's normal, but why my head is paining is what I think. And the moment I realize that the reality is different, so that when I realize कि okay ये हुआ था. So उसी के अराउंड में my family knew कि मैं उधर हूँ और मेरी कोचिंग के यहाँ हुआ है because they saw the news. So
Obviously.
they called me.
I believe even Nevin's parents found out about his death from the news. मतलब उनको किसी ने फोन नहीं किया.
हाँ तो actually it was hard to find the
Numbers and all that.
exactly
also.
that was happening.
Before all this happened, जब बारिश शुरू हुई उस दिन, तो आपने शायद सबको मैसेज भेजा कि आज बाहर मत जाओ.
सो मैसेज मैंने तब भेजा था जब नीलेश करके जो भी वो
जो
थे,
इससे
इंसान थे.
इस इन किलिंग से पहले एक आईएएस एस्पिरेंट जो थे,
हाँ.
जिनकी वाटर लॉगिंग और इलेक्ट्रोक्यूशन के
से
कारण
डेथ
हुई.
एग्जैक्टली.
राइट.
तो एक्चुअली he cleared that prelim. He cleared the prelims. He was about to give mains, and it's a very big thing for the aspirants. I wanted to tell everyone who does not have that background.
Yeah.
It's a very big thing for them. It's a very big thing for us
Yeah.
to clear that particular
Yeah,
exam, prelims. So he died that day, and I messaged every friend of mine that please don't just go outside. Just please don't go outside. And if you are going, just don't touch anything. And at that moment of time, I was just hoping कि बस मेरा कोई दोस्त ना हो इसमें, मैं किसी को जानता हूँ ऐसा कोई ना हो. हाँ तो उस दिन.
Can I ask you something? ये so called library.
Yeah.
ये कैसी होती है बेसमेंट में?
Okay, so actually I have a lot to tell about that.
Yeah.
So let's start for my coaching. The coaching. The basement, which is now called the library, it was not a library actually. It was an exam center. And when I joined the coaching in July last year, it was an exam center. That's it. Most of the seats were empty. Only maximum 10 students जो थे वहाँ पे बैठ के एग्जाम देते थे. And कुछ महीनों के बाद we got to know कि क्योंकि the students demanded कि इतनी सारी seats खाली हैं, please make it a library.
अच्छा.
We can study here. Because library का अलग से आपको 1500 2000 देना पड़ता है.
बच्चों को पे करना पड़ता है.
हाँ, बाहर. So आप क्या करो, आप हमें ये वाली लाइब्रेरी प्रोवाइड कर दो. एंड दे वर काइंड इनफ कि उन्होंने हमें वो लाइब्रेरी दे दी. अच्छा, वी डिडंट न्यू कि बेसमेंट में लाइब्रेरी अलाउड नहीं है. हमें नहीं पता था ये. हमें नहीं पता था कि इसका कोई कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस हो सकता है. हमें बस वहाँ पे वो जगह मिली तो बच्चों ने मतलब मैं नहीं था उसमें, बट येस द अदर स्टूडेंट्स डिमांडेड कि आप उसे लाइब्रेरी में चेंज कर दो, एंड दे डिड दैट. सो फिर उसके बाद से सो इट वाज लाइक एक बैच जो हो गया, लाइक अगर 2023 के बैचेस हैं तो एक साल में बहुत सारे बैचेस जाते हैं. तो जो उस पर्टिकुलर साल के बैच है वो उस साल के लिए उनके लिए अलॉटेड हो जाएगी वो लाइब्रेरी. एंड जब नेक्स्ट ईयर से तो वो हट जाएंगे.
तो आप गए थे उसके अंदर?
हाँ, आई यूज्ड टू स्टडी देयर.
टेल मी व्हाट इज द फी ऑफ दिस राउस सर्कल?
ओके, सो इट इज एक्चुअली सारी जितनी कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं उनका लगभग सेम ही है आपका. It will go from 1,50,000 to 2,50,000.
Do they give facilities worth that money?
Yeah, actually yes.
पर ऐसे घुसेड़ के बेसमेंट के अंदर, Rouse is one of the oldest.
Okay, Rouse is one of the oldest. I guess it is the oldest. So my institution was very good. It provided us many facilities.
You're not angry with them?
I am not angry. I am angry, but I just want to tell the truth. What is the truth? Because I'm not defending my coaching institution, and I'm no one to defend them.
Who are you angry with today?
I'm angry with the guards. I'm angry with the people who were there on the ground floor. That's it. मुझे बस उनसे गुस्सा है.
But you know, you are children. I'm sorry to keep calling you children. You're actually young adults, but at 52, as a 21-year-old, you're a child for me. You are not going to know कि fire डिपार्टमेंट की एनओसी का वायलेशन हुआ वहाँ, कि बहुत से लोगों ने कंप्लेन किया कि बेसमेंट में लाइब्रेरी होनी नहीं चाहिए, कि बहुत से बच्चे लोन लेके ये पैसे देते हैं और उसके आंसर में फैसिलिटीज अप्रोप्रिएट होनी चाहिए. सेफ होनी चाहिए. एक तरह से द कोचिंग सेंटर ओज दैट सेफ्टी, राइट? तो आप तो अपने लेवल पे सोचेंगे कि भाई मेरी इमीडिएट रियलिटी, लेकिन मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ कि मैं जितने भी बच्चों से मिली प्रोटेस्ट साइट पे, उन्होंने कहा कि देखिए हमें ना इंटरेस्ट है, हम पॉलिटिकल साइड्स नहीं लेंगे, हम सबको ब्लेम करते हैं और हमें सबकी सॉलिडारिटी चाहिए.
हाँ.
आज जब पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज कोई भी हो आपस में लड़ रही है, सब एक दूसरे को ब्लेम दे रही है, एज ए यंग वोटर what do you feel about that? A young voter who has lost their friend.
As a young voter, I just feel कि every time, be it any incident, be it any tragedy, we just wait for a death. We just wait for people to die. The moment they die, we take actions. And then we are so much hyped up, we are so much, into it that we want a change. But the thing is, we all see what is happening. And हमें पता होता है कि क्या होने वाला है. But हम बस वो एक रिस्क ले रहे होते हैं हर जगह. It's not about Delhi, it's not about any particular state. It's, for me, I know about my country. I don't know about US, Canada, I don't know more than. But in my country, we wait for a death. We wait for a death to happen. When that happens, we take actions. And then everyone, I don't know how, but everyone gets to know कि कुछ गलत हो रहा था.
तो पहले कहाँ थे सब लोग?
And everyone says कि यार हमने तो किया था, but इन्होंने नहीं किया, इन्होंने तो कहा था पर हमने नहीं किया. But नहीं किया तो फिर कुछ होगा ना, मतलब we always blame the system and it should be blamed. सब सिस्टम को ब्लेम करते हैं, पर अगर सब सिस्टम को ब्लेम कर रहे हैं तो फिर सिस्टम चला भी तो कुछ लोग रहे हैं. वो किसको ब्लेम कर रहे हैं? उनके अंदर कॉन्शियस नहीं है क्या? उनके अंदर उनकी सोल नहीं है क्या? बिकॉज मुझे लगता है कि जब भी सिस्टम का भी कोई इंसान तभी उठेगा जब उसके घर में कुछ होगा, उसके घर का कोई बच्चा जाएगा, उसके घर की में कोई फैमिली मेंबर जाएगा. एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाई वी वेट फॉर दैट. आई डोंट नो, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट वर्थ इट.
Very well said. I want to ask you, I saw a poster at the protest site. एक बच्चे ने पकड़ा हुआ था, the dream is dead. Is your dream still alive to be a civil servant?
I don't know. I'm not sure about it.
You're having second thoughts?
I'm not having no thoughts.
Yeah,
I'll be very
too numb
true.
right now. Too much pain actually.
I'm too numb. The best time nowadays is when I sleep. And कल तो वो भी नहीं था. Because
नींद नहीं
आ रही थी. I had thoughts, I had dreams.
Of course.
बहुत अजीब से. And मैंने अपने दोस्तों से भी बात करी, who were with me, who were there.
Yeah.
They also said कि they are not able to sleep. They're not able to sleep. They are imagining themselves or their friends in situation that you don't want to imagine your friends in. So, as a 21-year-old, I don't know. I don't have, like, at this moment of time, I don't have anything in my mind.
I can understand.
Yeah.
I just want to ask you a last question, and then if you want to add anything, please do. What would be justice for Nevin? Because like when the children who are protesting, they said हम यहाँ से नहीं हिलेंगे जब तक justice नहीं होगा. तो justice इसमें क्या, आप क्या मानेंगे कि justice है?
Justice, ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता जिससे दोस्त वापस आ जाए. That would have been the best justice.
Yeah.
But if you are asking me, I have to tell you in a very broader way what is justice. What will justice mean? Because if he is looking from there, I know what the justice will be, that no child, none of the parents should see their child like this. None of the friend should see their friend like this.
Ever again.
Ever again. Be it anything. I just want the system, I just want the people who are responsible, be it anyone, everyone know who is responsible for the broader sense, be it MCD, be it the institution, be it the political parties, be it the MLA, be it the MP. I just want them to treat the places from where they have been voted just like they treat their home. the places near their home, because you will not see any place dirty or any clogging, waterlogging near the politician's house or any of the officers who are responsible for it, because they live in a very clean environment. For them, right to life means a clean environment, but I don't know why they don't want that to happen with the normal people, the common man who is paying taxes, who is giving you vote.
Yeah.
I just feel they are taking it for granted, everything.
Yeah. We're seeing a lot of these images of the terrible conditions in which some of the PGs are. छोटे छोटे कमरे, बड़े बड़े पैसे. You want to talk about that?
Yeah, sure. So
कई cases में तो तारे भी खुली हैं, not covered, exposed wires.
हाँ. That's very common actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's very common. For a student who lives there, that's a very common thing for us. And
was your PG like that?
Yeah.
What was it? Describe it.
Yeah. So
first of all, they are so small, they're so expensive, and with that, कोई भी एक, I would say, एक मैंने तो नहीं देखी है आज तक. अगर किसने देखी हो तो I don't know, but मैंने जितने PGs फ्लैट्स देखे हैं, कोई भी सिक्योरिटी, किसी भी चीज की सिक्योरिटी नहीं है वहां पे. अगर वहां पे आग लगती है, पानी भरता है, शॉर्ट सर्किट होता है, कोई बच नहीं पाएगा, कोई भी नहीं बच पाएगा, बिकॉज कोई एग्जिट नहीं है, कोई फायर एग्जिट नहीं है, कोई नॉर्मल एग्जिट नहीं है. मतलब इन दीज टाइप ऑफ सिचुएशन कोई ऐसा पर्टिकुलर एग्जिट नहीं है जिससे आप बाहर निकल सकते हो. एक ही एंट्री, एक ही एग्जिट है. मैं जिस पीजी में रहता हूँ वो एक ही एंट्री, एक ही एग्जिट है. एंड सिचुएशन आर वेरी बैड देयर. बहुत गलत, बहुत इलीगली चल रहा है, बहुत इनह्यूमेन है वहां पे सब कुछ. वहां पे सिर्फ पैसा दिया जा रहा है, फैसिलिटीज बिल्कुल भी नहीं है उसके हिसाब की. And everyone is compromising. Even the students are compromising. The staff who is working there is compromising. Everyone is compromising. सब compromise कर रहे हैं, except the landowners, except the landlords, except because they are charging hefty amounts. Their pockets are filled with money, but they are not providing anything to students. So that's how the PGs and flats are there in Patel Nagar, Karol Bagh, ORN, Shadipur, Kirti Nagar, जो भी हो, जहाँ भी हो. जितना हम लोगों ने देखा है, और द पीपल हु आर प्रोटेस्टिंग, उनका भी मेन एक ये भी पॉइंट है कि दे आर प्रोटेस्टिंग बिकॉज दे आर themselves facing these type of situations. They are saying that we are being tortured there.
अगर आप वहाँ की गलियों में जाओगे, there are wires.
Yeah.
We don't know they are live or not. But if Nilesh died that day, that means that was. The wire was live.
Yeah.
And few years back I heard a news कि एक पडल में एक लाइव वायर चली गई थी. And उसमें गलती से लड़की का पैर गया and she died. And that was मैं स्कूल में था तब मुझे पता नहीं था. तो हाँ, तब मुझे तो it was live. If that particular door had electricity, तो मतलब वहाँ पे लाइव वायर्स भी हैं. एंड हर जगह आपको वो दिखेगा कि देयर आर लाइव वायर्स. वहाँ पे तारे लगी हुई हैं, मतलब वो गुच्छा होता है तारों का, जो बंडल ऑफ वायर्स वो होते हैं. और जो पोल्स होती हैं उसमें बहुत सारी तारें लगी रहती हैं, तारों से तार लगी रहती है. एंड एनीबडी हु इज फ्रॉम दिल्ली, आई नो अबाउट दिल्ली because I have been living here and I know about Delhi only. There are many places like that. People are knowing because people are saying ORN ऐसा है because they know because of the.
Just for the audience outside Delhi, ORN is Old Rajinder Nagar, where all of these coaching centers are. Right?
Yeah. So there are many places. Be it Badarpur,
Mukherjee Nagar.
Delhi, Mukherjee Nagar. मैं गया था एक बार Mukherjee Nagar, and I think, and if I'll say very personal, it is worse than ORN.
अब वहाँ भी प्रोटेस्ट हो रहे हैं.
हाँ. So ये बहुत कॉमन है वहाँ पे, कोई एक्शन नहीं लेता है. एंड अब फिर people will say that why students are not saying that. Students don't have time. They don't have time to eat. They don't have time to socialize. How will they do? जो भी आपने उस आदमी कुशवाहा करके जो भी वो है,
जिन्होंने वो कंप्लेंट की,
he was kind enough to take that step. None of us did.
Yeah.
Because we didn't have the time.
Actually, we forget how much pressure there already is when you're sitting for the services exam, right?
They are most of them are taking money from their
parents.
Home, parents. Yeah. And I know parents say, and they are very kind, कि they say कि तुम पढ़ो आराम से, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तुम पढ़ो आराम से. एंड वी नो दैट वो उनके बिल्कुल मन से दिल से आ रहा है, बट समहाउ स्टूडेंट्स को लगता है कि यार 15,000 जा रहा है महीने का, 20,000 जा रहा है,
प्रेशर होता है, उससे
प्रेशर होता है, ऊपर से लैंडलॉर्ड्स का प्रेशर, ऊपर से यू हैव टू लिव विद अ स्ट्रेंजर इफ यू आर लिविंग इन अ डबल शेयरिंग रूम, इन अ ट्रिपल शेयरिंग, 4 लोगों के बीच में रह रहे हो या फिर अकेले भी रह रहे हो, तो यू हैव टू बी विद द स्ट्रेंजर, तो वो उसका प्रेशर है, लैंडलॉर्ड्स का प्रेशर है, खाना अच्छा नहीं है उसका प्रेशर है, पानी अच्छा नहीं है उसका प्रेशर है,
और फिर परफॉर्मेंस एंजाइटी,
परफॉर्मेंस
एक्सपेक्टेशंस ऑफ योर फैमिली, ऑफ योर सोसाइटी, एवरीबॉडी,
या फिर उस पेपर का एक्सपेक्टेशंस है, वो कॉम्पिटिटिव इन्वायरमेंट है, बिकॉज एवरीवन इज स्टडीइंग, एवरीवन इज गिविंग देयर हार्ट आउट, देयर होल हार्ड वर्क, एंड उस पूरे के बीच में द स्टूडेंट हु इज लिविंग देयर, 21 if I'm not wrong, 21 of this particular month a girl committed suicide because her landlord said that आपका हम रेंट आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं एंड आपको वो रेंट देना पड़ेगा, आप नहीं दे सकते हो तो आप निकल जाओ ये कमरा छोड़ के, एंड इट्स वेरी कॉमन, दिस स्टेटमेंट इज वेरी कॉमन इन
people actually say कि आप रेंट नहीं दोगे तो आप कमरा छोड़ के निकल जाओ,
yes
and you're saying a young girl took her own life,
exactly, she also wrote that suicide note,
yes, I remember this now, yeah,
it's very common for them to say अगर आप पे नहीं करते हो तो आप छोड़ के चले जाओ. A student who is living there, who has that, who उसकी सारी चीजें वहाँ पड़ी हुई हैं, उसकी किताबें वहाँ पड़ी हुई हैं, उसका घर बहुत दूर है, मैं तो तब भी पास रहता हूँ जी, मैं तब भी दिल्ली में रहता हूँ, बट पीपल आर देयर जो मुंबई में रह रहे हैं, झारखंड में रह रहे हैं, कहाँ कश्मीर से लोग आ रहे हैं पढ़ने के लिए, चेन्नई से लोग आ रहे हैं, आप उनसे बोल रहे हो कि आप आज रेंट दो, आप नहीं दोगे तो आज शाम को आप कमरा खाली करके चले जाओ. मतलब would you say that to your child? Would you allow anyone to say that particular statement to your child? उस मोमेंट पे कुछ नहीं होता बच्चे के पास. Even I have heard that.
पर ये कैसे हुआ कि ये माहौल हो गया?
Okay, so
एक प्रेशर, एक फाइनेंशियल प्रेशर, एक सोशल प्रेशर, एक एकेडमिक प्रेशर, एक प्रोफेशनल प्रेशर, और यंग लोग की मेंटल हेल्थ पे इसका क्या इम्पैक्ट, आई कांट इवन इमेजिन. And now this trauma that will scar so many young people.
तो जो प्रेशर होता है वो n number of जगहों से आता है, और प्रेशर, this particular thing has happened and many of my friends are saying that we will leave ORN, we'll go to our respective homes. And even I am in for that. I am also convinced that I will go, because nothing
is worth it.
Nothing is worth it. I'll tell you one thing, why the children are there. For one thing, for the environment. That's it. For the environment, we get the facilities,
and you meet each other.
We share our ideas, we share our thoughts. Correct. And in a group, I have a group of 4 people.
Yeah.
We share how we write the answers.
Yeah,
because
of course.
We share our thoughts, we share that तूने वो news पढ़ी है नहीं पढ़ी,
correct.
वहाँ से वो वाला, इस particular चीज को यहाँ से cover कर लेना, उसको वहाँ से cover कर लेना, तो वो मिलता है मॉल, तो हमें पता चलता है कि अच्छा हाँ ठीक है, if you're going for CSAT for optional, take this particular coaching, they are good in that.
Sense of community.
हाँ, the resources are very handy.
Yeah.
That's why the students are there.
Do you think that this will lead to a larger conversation about the एग्जाम सिस्टम? बिकॉज इससे पहले वो पूजा खेटकर जिसने फेक कर दी अपनी डिसेबिलिटी, फेक कर दी अपना कास्ट स्टेटस, फेक कर दिया, उससे पहले नीट के एग्जाम्स में पंगा हो गया. मतलब इट्स नॉट एन इजी टाइम टू बी अ यंग इंडियन.
No, it's not. It's absolutely not, because we trust the institutions.
Yeah.
We trust the authorities.
Yeah.
But again and again and again they break our test, and we are so dumb that we again trust them. And because we don't have any other option.
Yeah.
The students who are protesting in Karol Bagh, I am with them, but I'm not able to go, and I feel helpless when I'm not able, because I'm not in condition to go there.
I understand. You're emotionally heartbroken.
I want to go there, but they also don't have time. They're also not doing that for their benefit.
Yeah.
उनका टाइम खराब हो रहा है, एंड आप किसी एस्पिरेंट से पूछो उनका 1 घंटा भी खराब होता है ना, तो दे गो इन गिल्ट कि यार हमारा 1 घंटा खराब हो गया.
इतना प्रेशर, इज इट वर्थ इट?
नो, इट्स नॉट वर्थ इट. इट्स एब्सोल्युटली नॉट, बिकॉज हमारे टीचर्स जो हैं वो बहुत एक्सपीरियंस्ड होते हैं. 10, 15, 20 साल इस पूरे इन्वायरमेंट में देख कर आए हैं. इवन कुछ लोग सर्विस में भी गए हैं, एंड वो दे ऑप्टेड आउट एंड दे स्टार्टेड टीचिंग. दे से दैट कि आपको यहाँ पे बहुत बड़ी चीज़ लगती है, बट एक बार आप कर लोगे तो उतना कुछ बड़ी चीज़ लगती नहीं है. I don't know, I'm a 21-year-old. I don't know if it's true or not, but I have heard it from my teachers. They say that it's not worth it to give your life's years, your young age, that delicate age of yours to this exam if it's not happening, if you're feeling that it's not happening. So ये मेरे teachers ने ही बोला इनफैक्ट. As I was telling you, तो हम एक बार ये प्रेशर वाली चीज़ खत्म कर देते हैं ना, उसके बाद मैं अपने पर्टिकुलर इंस्टीट्यूशन के बारे में आ जाता हूँ. सो प्रेशर की जो बात है, तो ये n नंबर ऑफ प्रेशर्स हैं और मुझे नहीं लगता, और इसके ऊपर भी इफ समवन इज गोइंग थ्रू एन इमोशनल टर्मोइल, मे बी फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स,
पर्सनल
रिलेशनशिप्स, कुछ नहीं हो रहा, दैट इज अबव ऑन दैट. ये जो मैंने आपको चीजें बताई, ये तो हर बच्चे के साथ,
ये तो सिर्फ यूपीएससी का प्रेशर है. हाँ. उसके ऊपर और जो प्रेशर हो,
हाँ, वो अलग ही है.
करेक्ट.
तो जो लैंडलॉर्ड्स, जो एनवायरनमेंट, जो जगह, इवन आई पर्सनली वेंट टू अराउंड 25 प्लेसेस कि मैं कहाँ रह सकता हूँ. उसके बाद मुझे मेरा पीजी मिला. And again, it was not worth it to be there.
Yeah.
Because now I know कि अगर वहाँ पे कुछ होता है, no one will be alive. No one.
आपकी पीजी में?
हाँ.
आप कह रहे हैं कि your PG is also unsafe.
Exactly.
Can you elaborate?
Yeah. So और ये सिर्फ मेरे पीजी की बात नहीं है, ये सारे पीजीज के बारे में मैं कह रहा हूँ. मैंने बहुत सारे पीजी देखे हैं. If anything, if particularly मुझे अपने बोला, if anything happens there, no one is gonna go out safely. And I can very well say
because there are exposed electricity wires.
Exposed electricity wires. There is no fire extinguishers. There is no safety alarms. There is no gate. No fire exit. There is only one exit. Only one. And at the end of the exit, you have that MCBs. Whole MCB. You have that there. So there is no chance कि if anything happens there, कोई भी बचेगा वहाँ पे. कोई भी बचेगा.
So are you willing to go back and live there again?
No, I don't.
And a lot of children must be going through that, right?
Yeah, because months before earthquake आया था, earthquake थोड़े आ रहे थे कुछ intensity के दिल्ली में, and our PG was shaking. And the time अगर earthquake बहुत higher intensity का आ गया, higher magnitude का आ गया, कोई नहीं बच पाएगा. The building is not capable enough to handle that.
Building also must be illegal.
Building is illegal. Building is old enough. If you'll go and see that building, खुद ही आप बोल दोगे कि बहुत पुरानी बिल्डिंग है. देख के पता चल रहा है. कोई सेफ्टी मेजर्स नहीं है, कोई भी सेफ्टी मेजर्स नहीं है. इवन वन सिंगल सेफ्टी मेजर अगर हो, कोई नहीं. एवरीवन इज लिविंग ऑन द एज. एवरीवन, इवन अस स्टूडेंट्स, इवन द स्टाफ हु इज इन माई पीजी, who मे बी वो जहाँ से भी आए, बिहार से, उत्तर प्रदेश से, कहीं से भी आए काम करने के लिए, दे आर लिविंग ऑन द एज. Same goes for the students.
और किसी की अकाउंटेबिलिटी नहीं है, बिकॉज सब डेस्परेट स्टूडेंट्स हैं, सबको जगह चाहिए रहने की.
सबको जगह चाहिए.
एंड में आप अपने इंस्टीट्यूशन के बारे में बोलना
चाहते हैं. हाँ, तो इंस्टीट्यूशन के बारे में, और जो आई थिंक किसी को पता नहीं है, बिकॉज एवरीवन इज लुकिंग एट माई फ्रेंड्स फोटो एंड सीइंग दैट, बस वो एक फोटो देख रहे हैं. सो इंस्टीट्यूशन के पहले मैं बोल देता हूँ. सो हमारा इंस्टीट्यूशन फ्राइडे को बंद था बिकॉज बारिश हुई थी, एंड सेम कंडीशन हुआ था, इंस्टीट्यूशन बंद था. ट्यूसडे को इंस्टीट्यूशन बंद था बिकॉज ऑफ द सेम रीजंस. सो एक महीना पहले भी बारिश हुई, भी बेसमेंट में पानी गया, एंड गेट चेंज हुआ ताकि फिर से ना पानी जाए. सो ऐसा नहीं है कि हमारा इंस्टीट्यूशन मतलब, और आई टेल यू, आई कैन वेरी वेल, पहले से मैं बता देता हूँ कि इंस्टीट्यूशन से मेरी कोई बात नहीं हुई है. बट इट वॉज नॉट लाइक दैट कि हमारा इंस्टीट्यूशन विलन था, वो टॉर्चर करता था बच्चों को. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. दे यूज्ड टू प्रोवाइड अस विद फैसिलिटीज, विद गुड स्टडिंग. और राउज एक्चुअली 100 बच्चे अलाउ करता है एक बैच में. और जितने भी कोचिंग आपने बड़े बड़े नाम सुने होंगे, वो 400-500 बच्चे एक क्लास में रखते हैं. So that's why we chose that particular institution. Okay. Because वहाँ convenient, we can get to one-to-one, हम टीचर से बात कर सकते हैं. टीचर्स are very helpful. They are very humane. वो हमें इमोशनल लेवल पे भी गाइड करते हैं और हमारे एकेडमिक लाइफ में भी गाइड करते हैं. एंड मैं खुद पर्सनली टीचर्स से कनेक्टेड हूँ. हम बात करते हैं जब भी हमें डाउट्स आते हैं, और दे आर जस्ट वन कॉल अवे, वन मैसेज अवे. सो ऐसा नहीं है कि इंस्टीट्यूशन हमें रिसोर्सेज प्रोवाइड नहीं कर रहा था, वो हमें रिसोर्सेज प्रोवाइड कर रहा था. बहुत अच्छी रिसोर्सेज प्रोवाइड करती. गुड वाटर, गुड एयर कंडीशनर, गुड फैसिलिटीज, गुड एनवायरनमेंट. एक अच्छा इन्वायरमेंट होता था. टीचर्स they didn't used to panic जब हम क्वेश्चंस पूछते थे, वो आराम से हमें बताते थे. बट उस दिन जब हुआ, उस दिन आई अगेन से दैट, उस दिन जब हुआ जो ये चीज़ हुई, द वाटर वॉज सिटिंग आउटसाइड द इंस्टीट्यूशन, नो वन गिव अ डैम कि वो जाके नीचे जाके बोल दें कि आप सब ऊपर आ जाओ, पानी बाहर है, बहुत सारा है।
कोई मतलब जो ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे लोग थे,
हाँ,
वो
वहाँ लोग
बेसमेंट
थे।
में आए ही नहीं बोलने के लिए कि आप बाहर निकलो?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है। तो जब वहाँ पानी बैठा हुआ था, सिर्फ जब गाड़ी नहीं आई थी, तब गार्ड या फिर कोई मैनेजमेंट में से कोई गया था नीचे एंड दे सेड कि आप अपनी बाइक्स हटा लो क्योंकि पानी भर गया है।
ओके,
ठीक है। सो एक बच्चों को, पर जो बच्चे लाइब्रेरी में होते हैं उन्हें कोई आइडिया नहीं होता कि ऊपर क्या चल रहा है।
करेक्ट।
कुछ भी आइडिया नहीं, कोई आवाज नहीं आती।
और कोई नहीं गया उनको निकालने के लिए?
सो बाइक निकालने के लिए
नहीं, बच्चों को निकालने के लिए।
सो जब गेट टूटा और एक बार पानी अंदर आने लगा, तब गार्ड नीचे गया एंड तब गार्ड ने बोला कि बाहर निकलो, पानी भर रहा है। बट जितना मेरी नॉलेज में है, द प्रॉब्लम इज द गार्ड, हिज टोन वाज नॉट दैट अर्जेंट, बिकॉज एक और बच्चे का इंटरव्यू है जो सबसे पास में बैठा हुआ था दरवाजे के। ही सेड कि उसने आके बोला और मैं निकल गया। सब धीरे धीरे निकल रहे थे, बट
नो वन थॉट दैट दिस वाज गोइंग टू हैपन।
नो वन थॉट। एंड बच्चे जो लाइब्रेरी में थे उन पे नहीं है ब्लेम, तो जो ऊपर देख रहा था पानी, उसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनती थी कि वो, उसे पता था क्या होने वाला है।
राइट।
ठीक है, उसे ये नहीं पता था कि 15 फीट की लाइब्रेरी भर जाएगी पानी से, बट उसे ये पता था कि पानी भर जाएगा।
वो लैक ऑफ अर्जेंसी जो थी,
लैक ऑफ अर्जेंसी कॉज्ड ऑल दिस।
बट इजंट इट रिडिकुलस दैट दे हैव अरेस्टेड द ड्राइवर ऑफ अ कार? वो एक कोई ब्लैक एसयूवी वहां से गुजर रही थी, मतलब उसको क्या पता कि नीचे क्या हो रहा है? राइट,
उसको कुछ नहीं पता था। उसकी, ही हैज नो फॉल्ट,
या
बिकॉज दैट वाज अ मेन रोड।
देयर जस्ट, यही है ना कि सिस्टमिक जो ब्रेकडाउन है उसको अवॉइड करने के लिए आप ये सब चीजें कर सकते हैं। Are there other thoughts in your mind that you want to express?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
So library, जो particular library की बात चल रही है, it was a very safe space for us. जितना मैं खुद पढ़ा हूँ वहाँ पे।
You thought it was safe,
हाँ,
ना? But it was not safe. That is the point.
We thought that it was safe because we didn't knew कि allowed नहीं है।
And it's not your problem when you go into an institution to ensure your safety. It is not your problem when you live in a PG to ensure your safety. It is the job of the landlord, the job of the authorities, the job of the institute. सबकी job है। तो आप तो पढ़ने जा रहे हो ना? You're not supposed to first do your security check.
Exactly. So जो लाइब्रेरी थी, जितना टाइम हम लोग वहाँ पे रहते थे, हम में कोई प्रॉब्लम वैसे नहीं होती थी। मैं जितना टाइम में लाइब्रेरी रहता था, पर ये पानी वाली जो प्रॉब्लम थी, ये होती थी हमेशा।
और ये पहली बार ही नहीं हो रहा था कि पानी बेसमेंट में आ रहा था।
नहीं, पहली बार नहीं हो रहा था, ये सालों साल से होता आ रहा है।
एंड दैट मेक्स इट इवन वर्स,
क्योंकि उस पर्टिकुलर वीक में भी पानी भरा था। एक महीना पहले जब बारिश शुरू हुई है
जी,
तब भी पानी भरा था जी, गेट चेंज हुआ था, उतने लेवल का पानी नहीं भरा था, अगेन से दैट, पर पानी गया था अंदर।
तो एक वार्निंग मिल गई थी,
एक नहीं, बहुत सारी
वार्निंग्स मिल गई थी जो कि इग्नोर की गई। ओके, अभिषेक, आई वांट टू एंड विद नेविन। आपने कहा कि लोग तो बस एक तस्वीर देख रहे हैं, but you want to say something more about the emotions behind that picture, about how many lives it has touched, how many lives it's broken, how many hearts it's broken, including yours.
Okay, so he lived in Delhi around for 8 years, I guess.
Yeah.
So मेरी जब, actually I was diagnosed with typhoid. I had typhoid 2 week before. So मैं उससे बात कर रहा था, तो he said कि यार मुझे पता है ये दिल्ली का, I figured it out how to live here. He said that. He said that कि आगे कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है तो मुझे बताना, I'll figure it out. So he was a genuine good human.
Yeah.
He was and I'll tell you why I'm saying that. I know because I have my personal moments with him. But I'll tell you one thing. The time when we were searching for him, we called one of our girl who was there, who escaped out. She was in a hospital. She said that हम सब भाग रहे थे and Nevin was trying to save us. वो सबको बचा रहा था.
So he died saving lives.
Exactly. He died saving lives, and I can imagine him saving them. I can imagine him being there. He didn't have that accountability. उसको कोई responsibility नहीं थी उसके सर पर. वो चाहता तो आराम से निकल सकता था क्योंकि बच्चे निकले हैं. But he was the last one who was rescued, to my knowledge.
Yeah.
He was the last one.
Yeah.
And there is a reason that he was the last one.
He stayed back to save others.
He stayed back to save others. He pushed everyone to go outside, and he died as a hero. He meant what he said when he was alive. He said that I want to create a better system. I want to sort things out. We used to talk कि यार सिस्टम इतना खराब है, अंदर जाएंगे हम भी ना खराब हो जाए. तो बोलता था कि यार सिस्टम खराब है, बट जितना हमारे अंदर, हमारे पास में जितनी अथॉरिटी रहेगी हम उसको तो अच्छा कर दें. एंड he meant what he said. He didn't say it just.
That's amazing. That's
Exactly.
amazing, and it's important for people to know. And इसमें irony ये भी है कि you're all studying to be part of the system that you want.
Exactly.
जिसको हम आज broken system कर रहे हैं,
हाँ.
उसी के entry के लिए तो आप partially.
हाँ.
Civil servants don't run the whole system.
Yeah, but they are in connect with the.
And in a way, Nevin, before he became a civil servant, served his duty
Exactly.
in public service.
Exactly.
In public service.
Exactly. He served it. He was not a civil servant, but in his heart, he was. He just didn't got the tag, but he was.
Yeah. What do you want to say to all young people before we close?
I would like to say that it's not worth it for a life to do anything. Be it this service, be it this exam, or be it any exam. It's not worth a life. And when any friend of yours who you know you have exchanged conversation with, it becomes very heavy. It becomes very
You have a
heavy.
heavy heart today.
Yes. So I just want them to. I just want them. Just please don't compromise on anything, because I did compromise.
How?
Just don't compromise on your safety.
On your safety. Yeah.
Because everyone knows that they are in an unsafe place.
Yeah.
I also know that I'm in an unsafe place when I was living in my PG. And every person who is seeing this interview or who is protesting
Yeah.
they're protesting because something very tragic has happened, but they're also protesting because they are going for the same thing. They're उसके दिमाग में भी same चीज चल रहा है
Right.
लोगों पे. वो गुस्सा आया है because they are suffering that.
मैं आपको बोलना चाहती हूँ कि at 21 you're a very very brave young man, and your family should be very proud of you. Your friends should be very proud of you. I know you don't feel that because you're numb inside. अभी इसके trauma जिंदगी भर शायद रहे, लेकिन आपने बहादुरी दिखाई है.
See, for me it doesn't matter. I don't know how anyone else see it, and with due respect I'm saying that I don't feel that I'm brave enough. I don't feel that I am proud of myself because I was not there. I was not able to save. I was not able to save my friend, and that what I don't feel there is not an inch of proudness in me, and because I was not able to save my friend, I was not able to be there. I was not able to tell him that he was a great support. He helped me at times when I needed him. I was suffering from insomnia a month before, and I went to his flat to just have a conversation with him, and that conversation did help me. And I was not able to thank him enough. I was not able to tell him that you were one of them, very few of them who gave me that way. You were the one जिसने मुझे बताया कि मुझे क्या करना चाहिए. मैं उसे बोल भी नहीं पाया. मैंने उसको
पता था.
पता
He
नहीं.
knew it. I am telling you, he knew it.
And if he's seeing from there, I'm sorry, Nevin. I'm sorry because you didn't deserve that. We all miss you. We all miss you, and we'll meet soon. Just I just want to say one thing to the
Yes.
authorities and the
Yes,
people
yes.
responsible, that it's not political, it's not nothing. Just don't play with lives of the students. Just don't play with them because अच्छा नहीं है, ये सब बहुत बुरा है, and you will not be able to sleep इसके बाद, because everyone is ignoring, everyone in the authorities, be it of any kind, be it political parties, the local government, anyone, they are all ignoring the problems, the safety of the students. just don't do that. Just because you assure your child is safe wherever he or she is, just please treat every child, everyone, even if you don't know them, just treat them like your child, because there is someone who is waiting for them.
Yeah.
There is a friend who is waiting for him. There is a friend who is waiting for them. There are parents waiting for them. There are people waiting for them, and they don't want to see them dead. They don't want to see them. They have not sent them because of this, to do this. They have sent them to be good humans, and Nevin was one. He was a great human. I still hear his laugh. I can hear his voice. And it was just a day before I saw him. On Thursday I saw him. On Wednesday I saw him in the library. I was not feeling well. I'm sitting very far away from him. I was not well, so I just sat there, and I thought कि end में मैं उससे बात करूँगा. But he left the library. जल्दी मेरे से पहले चला गया था, तो मैं उससे बात नहीं कर पाया उस दिन. So मतलब मैं नहीं कर पाया उससे बात, and I will be forever in guilt that.
Don't be in guilt. Don't be in guilt.
I don't know.
Your friend knew what he meant to you.
I just want to tell his family and his friends, जो भी मुझे सुन रहे हैं, and all the people, that Nevin was he was a good human being, is a very good human being. I remember once we were chatting and we said that, what do we want to become? We were talking about the service.
Mm.
He was the one, he said, let's just become good humans first. He was the one who said that. And I said, yes, that's a very important thing. That's very rare nowadays. It is. So he was that kind of person. He used to check on everyone. So he even checked upon me, on the friends. He was a great, great, great human being. And the nation has lost a very good human being. The friends, we have lost him.
Yeah.
Even he was not in the surface, but हमें पता था कि वो जहाँ भी जाता वो बहुत अच्छा करता, and it's a loss. It's a nation's loss.
I'm just going to give you a big hug, because you have been traumatized and you have gone through a lot yourself, and I want to thank you for speaking to us. Thank you.
Thank you.